All right, this is going to be Let It Be by the Beatles. This is going to have a guitar solo in it too. We're going to start out with a C chord. We got, so you could have a strum like a down, 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 up kind of thing. It's basically 2 beats each. So C, A minor. Now here we have F major 7, 3, 2, 1, open. And then we're going to put a pinky in here in the 2nd string, 3rd fret. That makes it F6. So we got C, G, A minor, and then F major 7. So it's kind of like 1 beat each worth. So it's like 2 on the A minor, 1, 2. So that'd be the 4 beats of that measure. So C, G, A minor, F major 7, F6, C to G, and then we're gonna have an F. So we have the F chord, and then a 2-O to a C chord. So that's our main part. That's our main little verse part too. So we're gonna go into the verse now. We got C to G, A minor, F major 7, F6, C to G. We got that F walk to C. We're gonna do all that again. C to G, A minor, F major 7, F6, C to G. We got F with the walk down. Now we're going chorus. We're going to go to the A minor to C, then F to C, and then C to G. Then we're going to have that walk down on the F. F to C again. So here we go, another verse. C to G, A minor, F major 7, F6, C to G, F walk down. Then we do that again, C to G, A minor with the F chords, C to G, F with the walk down. Then we got our chorus again, A minor to C, we got F to C, C to G, and F with the walk down. We're gonna do that chorus again, A minor to C, we got F to C, C to G, and then F with the walk down to C. Now we got this cool riff, like piano riff. We got, okay, we're gonna do that twice. So we have little 5 with 6 on the 2nd string, and then we have 5 and 3 to 3 and 1 to 1 and open. So it's, and then we're gonna go 3 and 3 on the G and B strings to 2 and 1 on those strings to opens, and then big strings 3 and 2 to 2 and open. So okay, once again we got 6 and 5, and then 5 and 3 to 3 and 1 to 1 and open. Let's try those. 3, 4. And then we got the 3s to the 2, 1 to opens. So, and then 3, 2, 2 open. Okay, so I'll play that one more time. We got 3, 4. Okay, and then we have a guitar solo coming up. So we got, so it starts out with a 1 down here and an open on the G string. 1 is on the B string. We're gonna do a quick hammer into that 2 on the G string. Back to that open 1, and then we got 2 open on the D string. So we got, so I jumped down because we don't have the low C. I went up to this high C. So we got, play the C, and then we're gonna go. So that was a quick hammer from open to 2 to the G twice, back to that 2 and back to the G. So we got, so that was hammer on the G, O to 2, do that 1 down here, slide the 3 into 5. So we got, Slide those down, 5 to 3 to 1. So this one waits for a tiny bit on the new measure, so it's like 1. We're gonna have 5 into 3 to that little 3 down below. Sliding back down, so we got. Now here we're gonna slide back up and hit that 5 down there. So we got. Sliding on back down. So we've got the whole thing. We got. And then we're gonna go. So double pull off here. Same thing here. Down to that C again. So we got. Then our next part is. So we got hammer on the 5 to 7 on the big one, 5 a couple times on the G, back to that 7 to 5. So that was taking the 7 on the G, sliding into the 9 and hitting the 8 underneath it. So we're gonna do a couple more of those slides into the 9 and 8. So we ended up on that 10 here on the second string. So we got 8, 10, little 8, sliding up into that 12 up there from this 10. So we got. So we got up into the 12, and then we're gonna slide down. 8, 10, 8. We're on the 15, we're going up 2 frets and back, and then we're starting on this 10. We're gonna slide quickly up to the 12 and back, to the 8, to the 10. Kind of do a quick slide back and forth again. So once again, whole solo. Then we come up here. And then we go way up high. And then. So after the solo, we got a chorus again. We got A minor to C, F to C, C to G. And then we got the F walk down to the C. Now we'll have another verse. So remember, the verse is like C to G, A minor, and you got your Fs. F walk down to C. We got C again, G, A minor, got the Fs, C to G, F walking down to C. And let's check out the chorus here. We got A minor, C, we got F to C, C to G, F walk down. Okay, so there's just verses and choruses. There's like 3 choruses at the end. Then we're gonna end with that cool riff. We got the. And on a C chord. So once again, that was 6 and 5, 5 and 3, to 3 and 1, 1 and open, and then 3s, 2, 1, opens, 3 and 2 and the big ones, and a C chord. All right, Let It Be by the Beatles. Thanks for watching Damon's Baritone Uke Joint, and we'll talk to you soon.